Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the next lesson, endocrine system. And this endocrine system is a collection of various glands which produce hormones which are directly released into the bloodstream. And these hormones are the ones which regulate the metabolism of the body. Metabolism means the making up processes like the making up of material for the cells and the breaking down process like the oxidation of glucose, then growth and development, function of tissues, sexual functions, and pubertal changes. Pubertal changes are the changes which occur at the time of puberty. Reproduction and various aspects of thinking, that is, emotions and expressions. And these hormones are known as the chemical messengers, as they transfer information from one set of cells to another. And many different hormones, they flow through the bloodstream because a number of glands are there and they secrete their hormones which are poured into the bloodstream. But these hormones do not affect any other cell or organ which come in the way, but affects only certain cells, that is the target cells on which it is going to perform its function. Then endocrine glands, they are ductless glands. Ductless glands means which do not have any tubular structure to carry their secretion to the concerned organ, but they directly pour the secretion into the bloodstream. And hormones, they are chemical substances which are secreted from the endocrine glands. And our body produces a number of chemicals which are used to control the certain functions and maintain system that coordinates these chemicals is known as endocrine system. So our body produces number of chemicals and uses them to control certain functions. And the main system which coordinates these chemicals is known as endocrine system. And this endocrine system is of great importance to our body because it affects almost every cell, organ, and the functioning of our body. And in general, we can say that endocrine system is in charge of those body processes that happen slowly, such as cell growth, while the faster processes like breathing, heartbeat, body movement and all, they are controlled by the nervous system. Though these are two systems, the nervous system and the endocrine system, but they work together to help in proper functioning of the body. What is a gland? Gland is a group of cells or organs. It is a cell or a group of cells or organ that secretes certain substance, and that certain substance is known as hormone. And the glands are of two types, endocrine glands and exocrine glands. Endocrine glands are those which do not have ducts to carry their secretion, but they pour their secretion directly into the bloodstream. And exocrine glands are the glands which have ducts and carry their secretion to the specific place in the body. And example of endocrine glands we'll do in this lesson, like thyroid gland, the adrenal gland. And the exocrine glands are the salivary glands and the sweat glands. You can be asked difference between these two. Now this endocrine system, it works with the nervous system very closely in regulating certain activities of our body. And this endocrine system is made up of the ductless glands which secrete hormones, and these ductless glands, they pour their secretion directly into the bloodstream. Hormones, they are chemical messengers which regulate most of the metabolic and other activities inside a body. And most of these hormones, they are secreted by special glands which are called endocrine glands. Hormones are carried to all parts of our body by blood, and their effects are produced in one or more specific part only.